So reports are coming in that Ninja Man definitely suffered a heart attack when he was rushed to the hospital recently during his murder trial, and they're reporting that dancehall entertainer Ninja Man appears to have suffered a mild heart attack on Friday when he reported feeling ill during his murder trial. Doctors reportedly conducted a echocardium ECG yesterday and are carrying out more tests. The doctors are expected to submit a report by today. Ninja Man has reportedly given instructions to his attorneys for his murder trial to continue while he's in the hospital. Ninja Man, whose real name is Desmond Valentine, was taken back into police custody on October 17th as his murder trial started in the gun. All the influential people in our music and our culture, it seems like they're being attacked. So I'm gonna need all these up and coming dancehall artists need to watch them head back to the utmost. And you see how Ninja Man is in hospital right now, or in police custody, remand rather, but people like Patrick Powell was out on bail during his gun charge. He was out and about, and it's alleged that he killed a little boy. But when you have money and when you have secrets for wealthy people in Jamaica, you get to get away with everything and you go scotch free. But anytime a man from the ghetto actually rise and do stuff for his community, it's like they repay them by actually putting them into jail. When I know Ninja Man a Vybz Kartel, and this is a big slap in Ninja Man's face. This man has been doing his utmost in his community and in the music industry for Jamaica and Jamaican well-being, and for these communities that police themselves don't even want to step in, okay, that police are scared to go into. The information is that a man from Florida actually flew down to testify in the case, and that's when Ninja Man actually had a heart attack. So they're sinking him slowly but surely, and I'm praying that he gets off this cage scotch free and another one of our legends are not locked behind bars and they throw away the key like they did with Vybz Kartel, figuratively speaking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.